Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and create AngularJS app in Windows 11. So first of all, you have to actually install Node.js. So just go for the browser and type here Node.js, and here you will find Node.js. First link here you can see, just click here. Now click here get Node.js, okay, and then go for the .msi. So just click here and it will actually start downloading. When the download will be complete, you have to actually install it. I already have installed it in my PC. If I go to the CMD, if I open it and say here node version, hit enter, here you can see current version. When you have installed Node.js in your PC, you have to set environment variable. So in Windows 11, it will actually added automatically in the path. But if it is not, then you have to actually add it manually. So let me show you how you can actually add it manually. Type here env at first to check that if it is automatically added or not. Now click here environment variables. Now select path under system variables. Click here edit. Here you can see we already have this. I mean, when I install it, it's automatically added. But if it is not, then what you have to do? You have to actually go for the installation drive. In this case, I have only one drive, so C drive. You may have multiple drive. So just go that drive where you have installed it. Then you will find program files. Then you have to actually go for the Node.js product. Here you can see. So go to the Node.js and click here address bar. Just copy this. Okay. And type here env. Hit enter. Click here edit environment variables. Now select path under system variable. Click here edit new. Then paste it. See, you added it. Now just click here OK, then OK. Finally, you have set environment variables also. Now what you have to do? You have to go for the AngularJS. Let's go to the browser. Type here AngularJS, and you will find first option. Here you can see. Click here and then click here try the new Angular. Click here try the new Angular. Here we go. Now you have to actually go for the docs. Okay. Then click here installation. After that, you have to scroll a little bit down and you will find install Angular CLI. So just copy this by clicking here. Open the command prompt CMD. Open it. Right click on it and it will be actually paste. Hit enter. So guys, here you can see it's done. Right now let's scroll a little bit down and here you can see create a new project. So to create a new project, you have to write ng, okay, then new, then our project name. So I want to create the project, let's say in the desktop, okay, here, or let's say maybe in C drive, and here I want to create the project. So I open here CMD and hit enter, and here I'm going to say that ng, then new, then project name. Let's say test Angular. Okay. Hit enter. And we will say here y. And we'll select CSS. If you want to select any other option, you may actually press arrow key from your keyboard. I mean down arrow and up arrow. So after that, you have to hit enter. Do you want to enable server-side rendering? We'll say no for now. Okay. And do you want to create? We'll say no. After that, we actually select this one. And here you can see installing packages npm. So guys, here you can see we have successfully created the project. Now next thing is, now we have to change the directory. Here you can see currently we are in the C drive and we have created the project. So we have to change the directory to that project, right? So you can actually say here cd and then project name. On the other hand, you can do is, you can remove this and then go to the C drive where you have created the project. Here you can see test Angular. Just go inside it and open CMD from here once again. Now here you can see we are in the C, then test Angular. After that, we have to say here npm start. Okay, so we'll say here npm start, hit enter, we'll say yes. Now here you can see this is the port with localhost. So just copy this, press enter to copy this. Now go to the browser, okay, and paste it, hit enter. Here we go, we have successfully installed Angular, right? And we have created a project also, right? Okay, so guys, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.